and when you click it, add it, you can see your wallet. So you can store all your Solana and Solana. Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create your own Solana Phantom Wallet on Chrome. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to this website, which is phantom.app. Make sure it's phantom.app and every character is exact and spelled correctly. There are many other fake websites with similar URLs that will try to grab your information stuff. So make sure it's phantom.app, and I'll also put this link in the description. The next thing you want to do, want to press download, this purple bluish button here. Then under Phantom for desktop, you want to click Chrome, since we're doing a Chrome tutorial today. Then on the right side, click the blue button that says add to Chrome. Click add extension. Wait a while, and it's going to be adding it, and it'll pop up here. Then it will automatically open a new tab for the Phantom Wallet. So we want to press the purple button that says create a new wallet. So first you need to create a password. So this password will be used to unlock your wallet. So make sure you remember this password and that you don't forget it, because that's going to be bad. But it's not as important as the next step, which is the secret recovery phrase. This secret recovery phrase can be used to restore your password, restore everything. And if someone has the secret recovery phrase, they can do anything they want with all the assets in your Phantom Wallet. They can take it away, they can send it to whoever. This is so important. Don't tell anyone other than yourself, and keep it somewhere secure. I recommend writing it down on a piece of paper and like storing it somewhere very secure, and no one's going to see it. And yeah, don't send to anyone, even the Phantom staff, because they don't need to know this. So click the view button and memorize this. That's also recommended, and write it down on paper. But since this is a tutorial and I'm going to destroy this wallet later, I'm just going to copy and paste it into here so I can look at it for future reference. But again, never do this. So check the I saved my secret recovery phrase and click the purple continue button. And it's informing you that you can open Phantom at any time with Alt, Shift, and P together. So I'll continue. So we're all done. So you can click the purple finish button, and if I go here to my extensions, like the little puzzle gear thing, you can also click this pin button. So it will always be here, so you don't have to like go here. You can just click this, and when you click it, add it, you can see your wallet. So you can store all your Solana and Solana blockchain tokens on here. You can deposit, send. If you click deposit, you can see which token, whatever, and you can copy your address by clicking this, and you can see it's copied. So you can send that to people who send Solana to you. And you can use this to interact with smart contracts and stuff like Magic, Eden, and stuff like that. So that's it. So if you learned something new and you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, check out my Ethereum NFT collection called CryptoTigers. The website is CryptoTigers.club, and the link will also be in the description. Check out the website for much more information, such as what the NFT collection is and how I created it. NFT minting is also available. Have a good day. Goodbye.